Vaishnavi, and today I'm going to show you how we can teach number recognition, counting and value association in young children. Let's start with counting. There are two types of counting. One is the rote way where the child learns to say the numbers in a sequence. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then comes the real counting where the child starts looking for quantities. So we are going to teach the child to count the number of objects. Here I have some blocks and let's see how we can encourage children to count. You may play this like a game. Put your finger on the first object and say, "This is 1." Tell the child that you are not allowed to say the next number until your finger touches the next object. And then slowly raise your hand and say 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure that when you reach 5, you say there are 5 objects altogether. You may encourage counting by asking the child on how many members are there in the family. As you walk on the street, they may count the trees, and in case the child drops a crayon, you can say, "Oh, can you count how many crayons you dropped?" All these are going to help children to count. Next comes number recognition. Here I have made a set of cards and I'm going to teach the child how to recognize numbers. So I'm going to pick the first card and say, "This says 1" as I trace it. This says 2. This says 3. So you can say this says 1, this says 2, this says 3, this says 4, and this says 5. Now comes value association. The child has learned to recognize numbers and also to count. Now let's see how we can help them relate these numbers to its value. For this, I have the cards and the blocks. I'm going to pick the first card and say, "This says 1" as I trace it. This is 1. This says 2. 1, 2. This is 2. So once I have arranged them, I would say this says 1, this is 1. This says 2, this is 1, 2. This says 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. And so on. To make this activity a little more challenging, you can clap and ask children to count. Like you can clap 3 times and the child can parallelly count along with you. Do try this counting activity with your children and I'm sure they are going to love it. Happy counting!